What's up everyone and welcome to Double Down Sunday. In today's video we'll be drawing the french fry skin from Fall Guys. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw a circle for the face. So we start at the very top in the middle. Just going to work our way around the left side. Just come down and then pull that back up along the right and back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw two small ovals on either side of the face for the eyes. Let's start over on the left side. Start at the very top. Just going to come down and then back up. Let's line this up on the right side. Just going to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now let's fill the eyes in black. And now we're going to draw on the top edge of the body. From the left side of the head, we're going to step out. Starting out here, we're just going to curve down and then in towards the bottom of the face. Let's move over towards the right side and do the same thing. We're going to curve out and then pull that up towards the same height. Let's flatten off the top of the body. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw a straight line. Going out, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to pull the body coming down and in towards the bottom. Let's start back on the left. We're going to start by coming straight down. And right here, we're just going to start to bend that in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by coming straight down. And then we'll bend that in towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom. We're going to start back on the left. Just going to curve this down towards the middle. And then bend that back up on the right side. Now before we add any detail, let's move up and draw on the french fries. We're going to start with the one in the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's go to the left side, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top. Now we move over towards the right and draw that same length line. And then we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's start stacking the french fries in behind. We're going to start from the bottom on the left, angle up and out. Just going to go a little bit longer along the top. And then from here, just going to angle down and out. Now we're going to draw that same angled line coming down and then in towards the bottom. Let's add another one along the side. From the top corner of the body, we're going to step in, angle up and out, draw a straight line coming in, and I'll just tuck this in behind. Let's add another one in behind, starting at the top, angle up and out, flatten off the top, and we'll pull that down and in. Now we're going to start working our way over towards the right side. Starting from the top, angle up towards the top, just flatten this off, and then pull that down in behind. Let's add a short fry over on the right. Start from this point, angle up and out, and flatten off the top, and we'll pull that all the way down towards the bottom. And then going back up to the top, draw a straight line going up, flatten this off, and then come down in behind the body. Let's add another one along the side. Angle down and out. And then we'll just pull that down and in towards the side. Let's continue to layer the fries in behind. Starting at the top, angle up and out towards the right. Again, we're going to flatten this off and then pull that down in behind. Let's add another one over on the right side. Starting from the side, angle up and out, come down towards the right side, and then pull that in. Let's add a couple more in behind. Starting from the top, start with a short line going up, go across the top, and pull that down. And we'll add one more along the right side. Angle up, flatten this off, and then come down. Now we're going to move all the way down and draw the feet tucked in underneath the body. So let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards the right, going out and down towards the same height. And then we'll flatten off the feet. Let's start from the left heel. We're going to curve the foot, coming down and up. Now to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve the foot, going up. I'm just going to bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to curve the outside of the leg, curving in and then up. Let's move out to the side and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, curve the inside of the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to pose the hands in a fist. So let's start with the thumb. From the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. And now we're going to draw 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend the first finger going up around the bracket. Now we're going to step down, go out and up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out and round out the arm and pull that in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move in and add that pattern to the body. We're going to start just underneath the chin in the center, step down, and leave a gap in the center and draw 2 points. One on the left, and then one on the right. And then from that left point, draw a short angle line, coming down and out towards the left. And pull this all the way down towards the right, to right about there. And then we'll pull that back down towards the bottom of the body. And then from that right point, we just want to trace this all the way down towards the bottom. Start with a short line coming out, go all the way over towards the right, and then back down. Let's repeat this pattern going out towards the side of the body. Let's start back at the top. Just going to follow the same curve of the head, going out and then up on either side. And then from the left side, we're going to follow the same angled lines, going down and out, and across towards the middle, and then back down. Let's do the same thing over on the right. And then from the left side, we're going to leave a gap, start with a point, and then we'll follow the same angled line, coming down and out, down towards the middle, and back down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to step up, start up here with a point, and go down, and we'll pull this out toward the side of the body. And then we'll continue that curve going out along the sides, out and up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to follow that same angle line going down and out towards the side of the body. And then on the right, we start by coming straight down, and then we'll angle this out. Let's add one more stripe on the left side. From this bottom point, we're going to step over, just follow that same angle going up, and we'll pull this out towards the left side of the body, and we'll thicken up the stripe. Stepping down, and go down and in, and back down towards the corner of the body. And that's pretty much it. There's the French fry skin from Fall Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.